flat one.
What?
Bring me a flat one. Bucket to sit down.
Give me a chair. I got one in the truck.
It didn't have to move it. Let it go, bud. Hold on, bud. All right, there you go.
Oh, that smells. How rude! Bud, you want me to get you a chair?
No, I have to run back to you. That's too much.
All right.
You sit down, but I have to move too much right now.
These are all the ones getting sold?
Huh?
These are the ones getting sold here, or just?
All except the little bitty one. They'll go back on the mama.
Okay.
Everything about as big as
Right, that one right there is probably going back on its mama.
colored up and right. Ain't more than two left, ain't 3 or 4. Just like a dog we get. Look like.
About a nickel, a hole in it.
Yeah. Yeah, no,